Hi guys, welcome to King Stories channel. Today we're reviewing the Haven Riviera resort. This is the view from the second floor of the lobby. We had to wait a few hours before we went to our room. This is just a nice view for you. And this is the room. Like you can see, it's very spacious. The bed is big. And then we got a swim out suite. If you can look out the door and you have a really beautiful view of the beach and also our swim out. It's a very nice view, especially at night. I really recommend upgrading to the swim out if you can. And this is the night view, as I said. This is very bright and beautiful, as you can see. And pro tip, just make sure you get lots of pesos for tipping. And this is just the area view. This is the nightlife. They have various activities for you at night. They have dance shows, music shows, depending on what day it is. So every day there's something. Also, I just want to talk about the room service. They had really good food options for everyone: steaks, burgers, whatever you want. There's always something for everyone. I really enjoyed the room service as well. Their breakfast menu was amazing as well, and the taste was good. So just so you know.
Hi guys, hope you're enjoying the video. This is my new channel. If you are enjoying the video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, because I'll be dropping more travel content like this and a few other different styles as well. So stay tuned and you can get back to the video now.
And this was just one of our excursions to Chichen Itza. It was really nice having a tour guide who spoke Spanish and English, which was very amazing, easy to understand and interact as well. It was very educative. We learned so much about the cultural landmarks of Mexico, and it was nice and educative. This is just a picture, some that we took during the excursions. We learned a lot about the history of Mexico. And this is just a cenote. This is just pretty much a cave with a clear body of water. The water was really nice, quite warm. I don't know how to swim, so I didn't really get it, but it was pretty nice and beautiful as well. It wasn't too deep for those who can't swim. You can just stand on the rocks or sit and have a feel of the water. You can dip your feet into the water, just get a feel of it. But other than that, it's nice. And this is just a view. This was a rainy day, and that's pretty much it. If you haven't watched our review video of Secret Tides in Punta Cana, please do so. I'm sure you love that too. But overall, Cancun was a beautiful experience, and I would rate it an 8.5 over 10. Thanks for watching.